Hey YouTube, welcome back guys and happy Monday. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is from Nike store at the Citydale outlet. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I don't even know what we got because my son bought this. So let's go ahead and get this started. So we got the two pieces of this. One is the Nike Boxer Brief, engineered with the Nike Anti-Odor technology. This one is a size small. It has two of this. I'm not sure. Somebody opened this. Oh my god! So this is $30. Our price is $30. So there's no on sale. What is the point if we buy this at the outlet store when it's not on sale? I don't get it. And let's check this one out. This one is a Nike SB shorts. It's like a light yellowish color. And this is size small. It says suggest retail price is $45. Our price is $32.99. So this one is good. I mean, at the outlet, it's supposed to get a better price. But the brief, I don't think so. And then this is the label. Made in Malaysia. What happened is China. And then, or Vietnam. Well, anyway, Malaysia is it's around that area anyway. So you got the draw core right here. It's kind of thin for this big shorts. And on the back, you got this flap down covering the zipper. And on the zipper, you got the Nike SB. This is almost like a rubberized material of silicone, which is nice. Compared to Supreme, you're paying like what, 100 something or 98 something for a shorts versus $32.99. It's much softer and better material. And you got this pretty deep pocket, left and right. So on the back, it's kind of shallow. It's not too deep. So let's go ahead and then pop this brief open and see. And those are the dimension right here on the measurement. Small sizes range from 29 to 32 inches. Medium size is 32 to 35. Large is 35 to 38. Extra large is 38 to 43 inches. XXL is 43 to 47.5 inches. Wow, 3XL 47.5 to 52 inches. 4XL is 52 to 57 inches. All right. So there you go. That will give you like a chart for you to decide which side to go with. Engineer for all-day comfort. Huh. Is that right? Oh my God. Did somebody just switch this or what? Because it shows black and white. Or did it say gray color somewhere? So these are the size small. pretty nice. Wow, the fabric is. It seems like it's pretty strong. This one, wow, made in Sri Lanka, all right, around India area. It's a dry fit. Got this Nike around the waistband. This is elastic. Oh, pretty nice. In my old days, I don't even spend that much money for the underwear. Wow. All right. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the bell for notification. And drop in your comments on below. Please share this with your friend, family on social media and drop in your comments on below. We should use the coupon card that we have with this store. So by the time we're about to walk out, and then my wife said, "Oh, I forgot to use it." I said, "Oh no." Maybe we should went back there and save some money because if it's 10%, would save at least like $7. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.